welcome back. I know it's been so long since I've done a tutorial, but I decided to come back with a Duochorme cut crease. I'm just going to start by prepping my lid with MAC Select Cover Up. Mainly using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I've gone straight into the crease with the colour Parallel, and I'm just packing that colour on and then slightly blending the edges out. Now I'm going to go in and blend those edges even more with MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the colour Dark Tan. Let me just mention that I did previously fill in my brows before filming this video. So next I'm going in with the shade Obsidian on a small detail brush, right in the crease where we will do the cut. Going back in with Select Cover Up, I'm just going to cut the crease slightly above the crease, and then I'm going to blend that outer corner in with the eyeshadow. I'm now going to go in with the NYX Glitter Glue. This will just help the eyeshadow and pigment stick and really pop. And then I'm going to go in with Solstice eyeshadow by Urban Decay, and on top, on a wet brush, I'm going to apply the 118 Inglot pigment. And here I am taking a sip of tea because I can't live without tea. I'm now going in again with Parallel to blend out those outer edges. Now I'm just lining my upper lid with a really fine line. I'm just using a Rimmel liquid eyeliner, and then I'm going on and putting on some really fluffy lashes. Now I'm just going to do my under eye with the Makeup Forever HD concealer. I'm buffing all of that out. Then I'm going to go ahead with a brown eyeliner pencil, placing that on the waterline, and then I'm going to blend out some of that Parallel shade again and blend the edges with the Mineralized Skin Finish. In the inner corner and brow bone, I'm just going in with Lucid from that Prism palette just to give it a little pop. Moving on to complexion, I'm just going in with the MAC Studio Fix. I'm using shade NC15. I'm placing that all over my face, buffing it out, and then I'm going to go back in with some more concealer, and I'm just going to place it on the areas of my face that I want to highlight, and then I will proceed to buff out again. For contour, I'm just using a contour stick from Primark, and then I'm going to blend that in with a stippling brush and a cream foundation in a slightly warmer brown. Now I'm just setting the areas of my face that I want to set. I'm just using a powder foundation from Sephora. Moving on to bronzer, I'm just going to use that Dark Tan from MAC, and then with the same brush I'm going to actually apply a luminous blush, and this one is the NARS Orgasm blush. Then I'm just highlighting the higher points of my face, and then moving on to lips, I'm using the Primark lip liner in the colour Desert Sand, along with my favourite gloss ever, the Fenty Glow Gloss, and we have finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's been so fun to be back. This week I hope to upload every day until Sunday, so let me know what you would love to see, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow.